Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Nene Cuisine 2020. In this President's Day, we all need to learn how to make our own turkey because your parents may not be celebrating like my parents are not celebrating this Thanksgiving. All these years I've been eating my mom's turkey, but today 2020 I had to make my own turkey because I can't go there. I can't travel to my parents' home, so that means I got to make my own turkey. So bear there with me. So drain the water. It's been almost 3 hours, but I'm changing water every 30 minutes for you. So yeah, here's my turkey is ready to go. And season all season, and then I have red peppers, and then I like to use butter. So I'm gonna put 1 spoon of butter, warm it in the microwave for a little bit. And then make sure you um, turn oven 350. So start heating up your oven, and you're gonna make your turkey for about 3.5 hours. That's how much long it takes to make a turkey. Let me see. I never. I feel like I have to lift you. Okay. So there's a mess here, guys. I'm sorry. That thing that you use to tackle the legs together. So I'm gonna use foil paper. I hope it works for me. So guys, here is my turkey is ready seasoned. I'm about to put it in the oven. I'm heating up the oven for about like 30 minutes. Turkey's ready. It's ready, it's ready. So after 2 hours, I came and flipped to the other side. You don't have to flip it, but yeah. So flipped. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Very juicy. Hey guys, the bird is done. Mrs. Turkey is here. She's a hen. Ooh. So I'm going to put it back inside the oven again for 2 hours. Look at all this juice. So I just poke it a little bit because I love my meat well done. So for 2 more hours, and so it looks like it's gonna burn. It may look burnt to you, but for me to eat a meat, it must look just like that to be sure it's cooked. So for me to eat a meat, it really must look very burnt, because oh my god. My mom, she's probably going to be super surprised with my cooking. Well done. Well done, turkey. Woo! My video again, so please share, subscribe for more video to come.